This is the interface of the named as open board software. Actually, it is meant for interactive whiteboard software. You are all aware of interactive whiteboard softwares. It is useful in classroom teaching purpose, especially who have interactivity whiteboards in their schools. Of course, you have not interactive whiteboards, but you can use this software in your systems and make animated videos and PDF files. You can make them. Not only that, you can make special pictures with these softwares. Let us introduce this interface of the Open Sankore software. See, this is the interface. This is stylus. When I click this one, this will disappear. Look at this. Here is a options of different types of options are there. When I click this one, this will disappear. So whenever we want to this stylus, if you have your own tablets, you can use this software in your tablets also. Then stylus is useful. Now I introduce these options. Here are the some icons. This is drawing icon. Look at this one. If I click this one, you can show this type of software, these type of icons. First we have to see this one. Let us this. Just click and drag. You can see the different diameters of circles. Now we can see this one. You can copy this like this one. You can copy by clicking this one. So you need not every time to drag and drop. You can copy and paste by simply this one. For example, see this one. This is the copy and paste button. Just click that one and drag the layer. If you don't want this, just click the into mark. It will disappear. It will disappear. So you can create this type of shapes. Now look at this one. Yes. Not only black and white, you can create colored polygons or color squares like this one. Look at this one. Filling the properties. By clicking this one, you have to select this one, select the color, and then click OK. Now select the square. Yes. Now we can change the color. Now red color. Again we draw. By this way, we can create number of circles with different colors, different shapes. Now look at this one. Now have you observed what are the differences are there? Now we select this one. Now we drag this one. Now this is different type of color we have. So with these creations we can create, for example, in mathematics, mathematics teachers know in sets properties we can create sets. We can add them.
Excuse me, sir. I want to tell you one thing. Before we start the session, first we will come to know that where we get the software and downloading process.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I will post the video.
Okay.
I will post the video.
Okay.
With clear, crystal clear. You can download it and install it. Sure. I think it is time consuming. My opinion, sir.
Yeah.
Madam.
Yeah. Okay. Sir.
That's right, sir.
Okay.
I have already created a tutorial how to download and how to install.
No problem, sir. Okay, sir. You carry. Thank you.
Already I have sent a video to Kalpana ma'am.
Yeah, I will share, sir.
Yes, you can share that one. Then it may be we will make time being. Okay.
No problem, sir. You carry on the session, sir. Okay.
Yes, then later we will discuss.
Yeah.
Okay. So by this type of shapes we can create number of circles or parallelograms or etc. etc. You can create so many. That is left over to your creativity. whatever purpose you can use, that is left over to you. So these are the things. Okay, now this is the, now look at this one. This is the eraser. Just I am clicking that one, everything will disappear. Everything will disappear. Now again, just we can make just right. Now I have to type this one. Look at this one. This is meant for typing our purpose. For example, I want to type this is set A. Now I typed it. Now I want to change Arial black. I changed it. If you drag this one, you can see the options are. This is the main purpose. Please see this carefully. You can change everything. For example, I write my name, Venkat. I select this one and I have changed the font. It is changed. Now I want to change the color. I can change the color. Yes. You can see. Now I want to change the bold. It will become the bold. Now I want to middle this one or left side alignment or right side alignment. This type of you can create. Or if you type number of points, you can use this one. Bullet points, numbering points, like that. You can also give a link to this one. For example, if you have a URL, you type it. For example, www.telugumatch.weebly.com. This is my website. If you click Venkat, it will go to that. It will go to that link. Of course, it is not necessary for me, so I don't want to see that one. Or you can embed any code here. You can copy and paste any code here. It will go to the particular website. So this is not necessary for us in the initial stage. So you can type by clicking this one anywhere on the surface and the interface, you will get it. Now, if you don't want, just click that one. Now, if you want to copy this one, just copy this and drag and drop. If you don't like this one, just delete this. If you don't want to move this one, lock this one. So you cannot move this. You cannot move this. Even you drag it. If you want move, unlock that one, then you can move it anywhere in the interface. So I have named it as Venkat. So I don't want to name it as Venkat. Just it is A. Sorry, I want to change the font. A. I copy that one and drag it and change it as B. So here A and B are O. Can you hear me, Kalpana?
Yes, sir.
Because here is my internet is unstable. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's audible.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
you may carry on.
Yes. Now I create A and B sets. You may copy it or you may export it. For example, see this at the top of you can see board, web, documents. Now I am going to click documents. Sir, see this one, sir? Documents. Here are there. This is our created document. Now I am export this into, this is disturbing me, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now I am going to export this one. Here are the 5 formats are there. This is we did not need. This is also we did not need. Just we need is export to PDF. Now I am export this document to PDF format. Yes, it is exported as 972018 some name. You can change the name demo. Now we save this whatever in our folder. Now I am saving this in my desktop demo. Save. Let me show, open that file, how it is. Now, if you want, right, here is the demo PDF. You can see this one. Now I am open it. Look at this one. You can see this PDF. Like this, you can create number of PDF files with very ease. So, in this way, you can create PDF files like this. This is the one example. Now, I am going to this option. Look at, sir. When I am clicking show desktop, what happened you can see. My desktop will, you can see. So whenever we want to show our desktop, we can see our desktop. Even we annotate this one. For example, look at this. See my child, like that. You can annotate. Now I am going to again click this one. You will see the interface. Now I am going to, as usual, interface. Now click the board. You can see. So now we are in the board mode. If we want to show our desktop, we click this one. If we want to show our documents, we can click this one. Right. So here is an option. Look at this one, sir. I am creating one page with two sets, A and B. That is a document. Now I am creating another document, page number 2. I am creating another document, page number 3. These are here. These are here in these places. Whenever we save anything, it will be saved as a document. Later we can see by clicking this one. For example, see this one. This is already my created creations. These are all my creations. For example, see this one. Yes. Now I am going to show you how to insert SWF files, Shockwave Flash files, what it is called, SWF files. You can download number of SWF files, whatever you request from the website. I will show one thing. Now, let us see. This is a website, Free Flash Animations website. You can see number of types, animals, clocks like this one. I am downloaded this into our software and drag it into this. So I am type this. Hi friends, let us learn open board. Like this, you can create. You can create SW flash files, whichever you require. For what activity purpose you can download. For example, if you download for biology teaching, you can download mitochondria or some leaves which are SW files from the internet. You can use it here. What is the need of the downloading of SWF files? That is the question. Here, this interface is useful for SWF files, movie files, and audio files. There is no need to use other softwares. For example, if you want to show video, let us see. If you want to show video, we have to go for VLC media player or Windows media player, but there is no need. in this software. For example, look at this, sir. Here are some icons you see: audio, movies, pictures, animations, interaction, like that. In this one, just I click this. There are sounds. I drag these sounds. I click this one. This is a sound. Now listen this one. Yes. What is the purpose of these ones? Let us think. If we create a audio quiz for children, then we ask what is the sound it is. This is useful for primary level. Like that. Here are some other options. Movies. For example, I drag a video. It is open. Now click this one. Here is another option. I want to copy this one. Here is another one is ready within seconds. And I copy another one. Now I run all these videos at a moment. So this is not possible in other video players. So this is the one of the useful. So you can drag and drop number of different types of videos at a time. So that is the main purpose of this software. Okay. How to download videos into this place? So let me show. See seriously. It is not easy task. Now I am going to my C, my system C, right? Now I am going to my PC, my C, and program files. In program file, you can search for Open Sankore file. Look at this, Open Sankore. Double click. Now you can see number of folders are there. Please identify library file. Now here animations, applications, audios, interactivities, pictures. If you want to insert different type of pictures, now you have to copy paste that pictures in this place. Otherwise, if you want to animations, now you have already seen chicken, which is laid eggs and move around and there. That is the this SWF. Now I have already inserted a quiz, which I made my own. I will show you later. These are in the animations, where it is library, where it is Open Sankore, where it is program files 86, where it is Windows C. Windows C, program files, Open Sankore, library. If you have animations, you paste it. Or if you have a picture, you paste it. If you have audios, paste it. If you have videos, copy and paste in this folder. Then you will see the all files here. Now I am showing animations. These two are inserted by me. These are given by the software developers. These two are inserted by me. Remember one thing, sir. When we copy paste these into the folder, at that time you have to close the Sankore software. Otherwise, these two are not seen in this folder. Then after copy paste, you open the Sankore files, you will see these things. Now I am going to see this, sir, which I created my SWF file. Let us see. You can resize by clicking this symbol and at the top below right corner you see this one. This is resizing. Now this is created by me. just for purpose. Okay, now this is interaction piece. Like that, you can insert anything in this software. Now I am going to show another interactions. Applications are there. This is the main important, sir. Particularly for math teachers, they can utilize more and more. There are, you can see, compass, protractor, ruler, set square, and there is one more option is there, magnifier. All you can see here. Now we can utilize how to utilize it. For example, I want to teach angle bisector in a mathematics class. Then I want to create animated video. Now I am going to screencast my total video. Look at this, sir. Go to the top right corner. You look here, open Sankore. Click that one. You have seen podcast. Have you seen all? Podcast. Now click podcast. Yes. Here it is ready. When I click this button, it will record everything. It will record background, everything. Now I can drag it here. There is no problem. If you want this one, you can stay. You will get it. Otherwise, you just simply click this one. This will disappear. Whenever you want that one, click that one. Now we need this. So we have to keep this one. Now I am taking a ruler. Now I am taking this, draw a line. Now by clicking this one, we can move this and we can adjust this one by clicking this, or we drag it like this. So whenever we don't want, we click this one, simply it will disappear. We want to move crossly, drag this one, or we resize the scale, we can reduce it, or we drag it, it will expand. Now I draw another line without this one also. Simply. Now there is no need for this one, so I click it is. Now I take compass. How to use compass? See this one. If you touch into mark, it will disappear. If you touch in the center, you will see a round blue cross arrow. Now it will move around the point, but it is not marking anything. Now if we look at this two headed arrow mark, if we drag this one, it is 12.2 diameter. Now it is 11.6 diameters. Now it is 9.8. Now it is 8.3. Now it is 6.9. Look at this. Now the numbers see in the bottom of the compass. After 7, it will show on the top of the compass. Now how to draw? Now look at this. Whenever we came here, you can see double-headed arrow now. It is drawing. It is drawing. It is drawing. But here you all are aware that if you draw anti-clockwise, then go for anti-clockwise. In the middle, you will come back to clockwise. It will delete everything up to the first point. Now it will draw. So wherever you start, you move to clockwise or anti-clockwise. Don't come back. If you come back, for example, I am going to this way. I am come back. What happened? It will disappear up to this point. So how to use this compass? Have you seen clearly? Now I am going to put this place. For example, I put this one. I have a doubt. My student asked, sir, you have not put the compass in the correct place. Now I am check with this magnifier. This is the magnifier. If you enlarge this magnifier by clicking plus, you can see clearly what happened there. If you reduce, so for this purpose it is useful for us. Now, for example, it is put correctly, assume all ourselves, it is, I placed it in correct place. Now, I am going to draw angle bisector of these two lines, this angle, right? I am drawing, two arcs are made. Now I take this one and put here. I draw another thing. I didn't change any diameter. Now I connect these two lines. Sorry. Exactly to connect these two lines, we will get the exact thing, but it is time taken because my hand is shivering. Let us see what happened. It is nearly 38. Here it is 38 degrees. So it is become 19 degrees. So exactly we draw a angle bisector. It is all podcasted when I click this button. When I click this button, but I am not click this button. So there is no chance to record this button, record this matter. Whenever we click this button, it will be recorded. For example,
1 minute, excuse me, sir.
Okay,
So,
okay.
All the participants 40 minutes complete ஆனோனா வீடியோ கட் ஆயிரும். பட் சேம் ஐடியில நீங்க உள்ள வந்துருங்க. ஒருவேளை இது கட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அந்த செஷன் அதே சேம் ஐடியில நீங்க உள்ள வந்து லாகின் ஆயிக்கோங்க. நாங்க வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So before closing the session, I will inform பண்ணிடுறேன். Okay, so you carry on, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I didn't click this button, so the podcast is not recorded here. If I click this button, it will record. Now, for example, look at this. What I am doing. What will you notice? Everything will disappear as the steps you have done. Now redo this one. Drawing an arc, again an arc, again an arc, again draw a line. So in this way we can use this to tell the children in a simple way. For example, look at this. Drawing an arc, from this place drawing an arc, from this place drawing an arc, join these two intersection points. This is the angle bisector. Within 2 minutes we can go forward or backward with this software. When I click this one, this will be, now it is recorded with my voice. You can see here. Whenever I am talking, it is moving. So with voice, it is recorded. Later, it is saved into our system. Now I stop this one. What happened? See, podcast created on your desktop. Now see, if you want to see your desktop, you can go this option or Control plus H. Controls plus H. Here see Suncor Cast. Open this one. Okay, so we are not doing any activity while recording in these 19 seconds. When we do these actions while recording, these actions are also recorded. But one thing remember, sir, these apparatus are not included in the video. Only these lines, these actions will be shown in that video, not this compass or ruler or protractor. These are not shown in the video. That is the main drawback in this software. But in RoboCompass, there is another software. In RoboCompass, we can see every apparatus. For example, protractor, compass, ruler, everything will be shown in that software. But this software does not permit that one. So like this way, you can create your videos. Whenever you don't want, just simply drag all things and delete that one. So these are the interfaces, just like C1. These are annotation for annotation purpose. This is for line drawing purpose. This is for typing purpose. This is for capturing the part of the screen. For example, I capture this one.
First class, quick recap
Okay.
And options and how to create and how to get output. Right.
Just I am telling one or two options, then I will.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now, in the interactive mode, you can see there are 3 or 4 very useful for teachers. Let me show. Look at this one. Choose the right answer. Here, a question is there and 3 options is there. Look at this one. Edit, reload, help. Now, I am going to edit. It shows. Here you can change your answers. Which is your state, for example. Which is your state? You can answer this. AP, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, or you can answer choice one more, or you can add one more choice. Otherwise, you can just click this one. For example, this is the right answer. For example, my state is Tamil Nadu. This is the right answer. Okay. Next, click this one. You can see which is your state. Tamil Nadu, this one. Now I am clicking this one. It shows right answer. Reload. What will happen if I choose this answer? Wrong answer. So this is the interaction. If you have interactive whiteboard, this is very useful in the classroom. Otherwise, you can save this as PDF file. Already I have shown. Go to document and export to PDF. Already I have exported in the morning. You can see this thing. Like this one. You can do number of times this purpose. Each and every page. You can use only one question in one page. Next page. Now I am choosing this one, sir. Look at this. This is another model. I have to drag. This is the main drawback. Now edit this one. Here is some mistake is there. If you want prime numbers, add this option. Prime numbers. Here I make it as composite number. Now prime numbers, this is not prime number. This is not composite number. For example, these two options are there. What I will happen is composite number. If it is correct, it will create green, or otherwise it shows wrong. For example, I place these places. What will happen? It indicates red color. Like this, you can use number of pictures. You simply drag and drop here from your desktop pictures. That is the easy method. Now I am going to another page.
So how do we export, sir, everything? Save and export.
I will show. Now, let's see. Go to documents. Go to documents. For example, if you want to export this page, click this one. Click this one.
Okay.
And export to PDF.
Only PDF.
Only PDF.
Oh.
There is no. Other formats are not useful for us. There are so many formats.
Because if we want to interactive content, we can save it and we can use on the time also.
No, only on that software only. Otherwise, we have to save it in PDF. Initially, I said that one because it's an interactivity whiteboard software, but the purpose we are used is for making animations and some more interactivities while using. Now, any doubts? There are another options are there. I am screencasting. I will show you screencasting, sir. Somebody is dragging. Somebody using annotation. Let me show how to screencast. Okay. See, if you want to create anything here, you can screencast there. Now click this one, scissor. Now drag this. If you want to add to this page or new page or library, current page save cheyalante. If you want to save current page, click this one. If you want to add new page, click this one. If you want to add library, click this one. This will go to pictures. Right. If you want to screenshot of your system, then here you go. Here, look at this. Here is an option. Here is an option. Have you seen this one?
Yeah.
Now, in this one, click this one. Click this icon and screencast. Current page. So my screen is captured, my desktop is captured and here. For that purpose, what I am doing, see this one once again, show the desktop button. It is show desktop button. You can move this around and anywhere. Click this one, click this scissors and select whatever you want and add to current page. It will show on the software, in this software. Like this, you can insert a number of pictures from this. Or another way to insert the pictures is just simply Control H. It will disappear. You type Control H, it will disappear. If you want to drag this happy birthday image, just drag it into the software. Again, I will show you what you need. Control H. It will show our desktop. From desktop, drag and pin it to our software. Here, you can do anything. You can type happy birthday or anything. Happy birthday, so and so. Like this, you may use inserting pictures. But SWF files not inserted like this. They cannot take this. Only you have to copy paste into the library and then you can drag it and drop it. Here, another interactivity button we can see. Collection. These are all like that. These four are looks like, but categories. Here, fruits, vegetables, fruits. Edit justam. If you want to edit, we can add some fruits. Banana. Right. Now display banana, fruits, potato, vegetables, pear, vegetables, pear, carrot, apple, onion. Right. This interaction will make children very much happy. Of course, if you have interactivity whiteboard. So these are the interactivities. Whether we have whiteboard is there. Otherwise, we can use these applications to create animated videos. In the new version OpenBoard, there are another 2 or 3 options are there, but too critical for beginners. Okay, here I will show one thing, sir. This is already made file downloaded from the internet and make it as an application. Now see this one. That part only seen. This is interactivity. Now this is. Now that is. So in this picture we have to show everything in a clear way. This type of files will be downloaded from the internet and we can use in this software. So this is the multi-purpose software. There is no need to video player, SW player, PDF maker. All are in this only one software. So you can explore this software. You have so many doubts will be arise, but not much tutorials in the YouTube, sir. If you have any doubt, you can call me. This is my WhatsApp number, 9949791767. You can WhatsApp me. I will definitely clear your doubts, because in less time we cannot explain the total software. I think, hope you all understand this session and make use of this tool in your classrooms, and teaching learning process makes easy to you and your children. Thank you. Thank you for giving this great opportunity to make all Tamil teachers, all Tamil tech teachers. Thank you, Kalpana and Tyagaraja sir. Another name, Arun sir, I think.
Yes, yes, right, sir.
Thank you for your team. I am very much happy.
Yeah, we too, sir.
Any doubts I will clear, sir.
Yes.
Let me try to.
Yeah, sure. There are a lot of questions, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, participants, உங்களோட ஆடியோஸ் கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓபன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் உங்களோட क्वेश्चंसக்காக. எஸ், ஒவ்வொருத்தரா கேளுங்க. ஓபன் போர்டு சார் ஈஸியா அவைலபிளா தான் சார் இருக்கு. கூகுள்ல சர்ச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கிடைக்குது.
I will show you.
Yeah, sure, sir.
சரி இருங்க, உங்க அமௌண்ட் என்னது?
Visible to you?
மொத்தம் 16055 அவ்வளவுதான். இத கழிச்சு பாரு.
My desktop is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
I am typing, sir. Go QOA or the open board. Click that one. Have seen? Okay, drawing unnoted, sir.
என்ன இந்த அமௌண்ட்?
Yes, sir. You may start, sir.
Yeah. Just type in Google browser open board. You can see this one. This is the open board software. Now scroll this button. There are 3 versions, sir. Windows, Mac and Linux. Whichever you want, you can download. Just clicking this one, sir, from this button, download button. I will show you how to download. Is anybody have doubts, sir? Just see this one, sir. Download this button. There are 3 options, sir. One minute, sir. I will close this software.
Yes.
Now see this, sir. This is for Mac. If you have Mac tablets or Mac PCs, you will download this one. Otherwise, this is Windows. This is for Ubuntu. Who uses open source software will download. Mostly, I think all of you have Windows. But remember one thing. This version will work only Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, like that versions. Not work in Windows XP, sir. Otherwise, if you want to work in Windows XP, I shared a Google Drive link to Kalpana. She will share that link to all of you in that group. Then you can download that software and install in your systems. If you have any trouble, let me know through WhatsApp. Okay. Now, just I click this button, for example, it will be downloading. You can see here it is downloaded. It is nearly 53.3 MB. If you have broadband connection, it takes minimum 1 minute, less than 1 minute. After downloading, double click on it and install it. There is no complications arises. You simply install that one, sir. It will looks like this button. Here it is Open Sankore, but if you download it, Open Board, it will be looks like as Open Board. Any doubts, sir?
Wait, sir. Wait for a minute, sir.
Yeah. This is the download button. Openboard.cs.
Yes, participants, please. உங்களுக்கு எதனா questions இருந்தா கேளுங்க.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we use it for chemistry teaching?
Yes, there are some options are there.
Hello.
You can create molecules structures.
Hello.
Yes, those who are question கேக்குறவங்கள தவிர்த்து மத்தவங்க கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும் I think. ஏன்னா உங்களோட வாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸஸா இருக்கு.
For typing chemistry equations, sir.
Equations.
Yeah, sir. 1 minute. Yeah, sir. Kindly unmute all, sir.
Yes. Who is going to ask question? Sir, yaar
Karthik, sir.
சொல்லுங்க sir.
Sir, so one thing, sir.
Yes, yes.
Please mute all.
You are modifying video. I will take in this voice verifying.
For chemistry purpose, you can see one option here, sir. Look at this option. Here is an option: simple molecules, hydrocarbons, methane. You can drag it, you can show it, and ethane, you can show it. Likewise, you can create or download it from any internet. You can use it. Here are some options are there: alkanes, ketones, propane is like that. This is the 3D model, or you can download anywhere from and insert it here. You can utilize, sir. But typing of equations not at all easy, sir, in this software.
One more question, sir.
Ma'am, sir.
Is it possible to export except PDF?
There is no possibility, ma'am, in this software.
In this software.
The only
But
way,
once we created that any other interactive tool or video, we can use it again in the same software. Is it possible?
yes, it is possible, but you have to take care. You have to insert as I am showing. See program files, Open Sankore, library, a particular folder.
Yeah, I can understand. If we want to add GIF image, is it possible, sir?
Zip files are not possible in this.
Only SWF.
Yes, yes.
Now, sir, our unmute.
1 minute, please. 1 minute, please.
Yeah.
புதுசா ஜாயின் பண்ணவங்களால கொஞ்சம் சண்டை வந்தது, அதனால மியூட் பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, you may proceed, sir, please. Sorry for the disturbance.
One more question, sir. Is it the questions for? Is it for Linux? Is it available for Linux?
Yes, I have already shown you. Once again, I show you. See my desktop. See once. Here is Linux. You see this one?
Yes.
Yes. This is for Ubuntu. This is for Windows. This is for Mac. So all three types of versions, all three platforms are there. We can use in three different platforms: Windows, Mac, Ubuntu.
Another question is, sir, is it possible to install this software in smart television?
Smart
Television.
television. Smart television is Android based, sir. I don't
okay.
think it is not useful
It's not possible.
in the smart TV. But
Yes.
you can do one thing, sir.
Yes.
If you have a tablet or Wacom interactivity board, you can use, but it is not possible to install in Android software, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Because smart TVs are Android versions, sir.
Okay.
So any other queries?
There is one useful of this software is whenever we are teaching, whenever we are creating some documents or some creations, we can save. In the next class, we can use it. That
Yes.
will reduce our burden.
Okay, I think, is there anything? Where is the come?
அடுத்த question இருக்குங்க. Is it
Yeah.
possible to screencast?
Screencast.
Yeah.
Already
Already showed.
Already I show you. Once again, I will show you.
Miss Uma Maheshwari ma'am, she has asked this.
Shall I show you once again? Screencasting.
Yes, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Here is screencast means taking a picture. Podcast means taking the video. This is the difference you find.
Oh, okay.
Podcast here, so see my open Sankore, click that one. If you podcast, it will create a video. If you click this one, for example, see here is a scissor button. If you take this one, it is make as a picture. Here it will be, you can see. Or if you want to take desktop, look at this one. Here is the scissor. Screencasted. Current. Yes. Look at this one. I screencast. Only images are taken with this tool. If we use a podcast, we can create videos. That is the difference.
Okay, sir. Yes, next question is how to insert math symbols?
That is the difficulty, sir. Actually, math teachers are facing so many problems for creating material, particularly in ICT department.
Okay.
There is no option. If you want, you have to download math type equation software. Can I type it?
Yes, you may.
Show it.
Please.
Yes, I will type it. Math type. This is the software. This is the excellent software, but not open source, sir.
Okay.
But unethically, you can use crack version.
Okay.
Then copy paste. Even it is not allowed copy paste, sir. Take the screencast and insert into the software. That is the only way.
Okay.
Any free open source software is not 100% useful for math teachers, sir. Except only one software is there, GeoGebra.
Yes.
Another question is, I can't make this. Which one is the best suitable open board software for Windows 10 version? Sir, Mr. Prakash, sir, this is not. I can't make the question right. Can you write type the question again?
I think he may ask which is the best software for whiteboard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there are so many whiteboards, whiteboard softwares as well. We have to choose the number one. We have to choose for what is the price money, cost money. Number, what are the features and how it works. What are the technical features. For example, is it working in Windows or Linux or Mac, like that you have to choose. But in my opinion, all are same. But in
Okay.
Telangana, sir, there is a software, sir, CAN.
Can you spell it, sir?
KYAN, CAN.
Okay. KAYN.
KYAN, sir.
Oh, KYAN.
It is 1,50,000 cost, sir.
Oh,
It is given with inbuilt projector and system with a lot of material. I will show you that one also in the system. Look at this, sir. This is the CAN.
yes.
This is the best one for 1,50,000. There are so many resources are there. Every teacher can utilize it. Later you can see, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will. No problem. You can type KYAN. It is worthy. It is created by IITs, Indian IITs.
Okay, sir.
This is the useful because it is inbuilt projector, inbuilt CPU, everything is there. They give keyboard and everything is. You can project anywhere, even on the back side of the student, and his search also.
Yes,
you can
next-
use infrared pencil,
Nice, sir.
everything. Excellent software, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir,
Sir,
next
shall we go for another question?
Yeah, why not?
Is there any option to write over the PDF file while using it just for time being? Mr. Karthik sir asked this.
Question, pardon me once again.
If you open your chat, sir, there is a question. Is there any option to write over the PDF file while using it just for time being?
We can, that means you wanted to edit the PDF file, am I right?
I think so.
If that is, he has to install PDF editor in his system.
Okay.
There are so many PDF editors. For example, Adobe PDF editor. Here you may notice one thing. Adobe Reader is different from Adobe Editor, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Adobe Reader only read the PDF file only.
Okay.
We cannot write, we cannot edit the PDF file. If
Yes.
we want to edit or overwrite or anything we do, we have to install Adobe Editor or any PDF editor. There are some PDF editors, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nitro PDF editor. So many PDF editors are there. I don't think so in open source. If I get, I will share you link.
Sure, sir.
The next
That
question
is-
is, sir,
Tell me, sir.
can we show for plotting graphs? Someone is asked
Yeah, why
from
not?
Mr. Rajesh Karthik.
Yes, here is an option. See, sir. Here is an option. Time being, I am not showing anything here, sir.
Yes.
You can use, sir. Or otherwise, there is an excellent software. I will show you once. See it. Here is in my soft. Look at this, sir. Graph, GRAPH. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I have opened it. You can do graphs, plotting points, everything here, sir. This is user-friendly software, sir. If you want utilize this software, you can go help download a PDF file, and you may understand very easily. But in these 5 minutes, I cannot speak, sir.
And that's
But
okay,
it
sir.
is
That's
very
okay.
excellent software, sir. For example, inside point series. So let me. 1, Y, 2, 4, 5, 6. Look at this, sir. These are the
Thanks.
points I have given to this software. It is plotted and you make a series. Like this, you can insert a function. Look at this, sir. This is the parabola which I have given to this software. This is the x square plus 2x plus 2. This makes into parabola. It is automatically draw. Not only this, sir, there are so many options in this also. It is also some functions like animation functions. So this is the different topic, sir. If you want to download it, I will show where it is download. Sir, do you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Those who wanted graph, this is the excellent software, sir. In our open board software, here is the option graph, but it is little functionality, sir. It is little functionality. If we want to create much about graph, you have to install. This is also free open source software, graph, G-R-A-P-H. You can screencast, you can use this software, sir. We can show x-axis, y-axis and grids, everything. This is the excellent software and user-friendly software.
Yes.
Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. So thank you very much. And
Okay, thank you, sir.
எதனா டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா நீங்க குரூப்ல போடுங்க. அண்ட் தென் நான் கூட இப்போ எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணேன். இந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் நல்லா தான் இருக்கு, ரொம்ப ஈஸியாகவும் இருக்குங்க. விண்டோஸ்க்கு, லினக்ஸுக்கு, ஓஎஸ்க்கு ஈஸியா கிடைக்குது. நானும் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் எல்லா வெர்ஷனுமே. உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா அந்த லிங்கை வந்து நாங்க எங்களோட பிளாக் ஸ்பாட்ல போட்டு விடுறோம். அண்ட் தென் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே செஷன் வந்து அனிமஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேரோடது யூடியூப்ல நாங்க போட்டிருக்கோம். நீங்க அங்க போய் வாட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம், வேணுங்கிறவங்க எடுத்துக்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ சார். மிஸ்டர் வெங்கடேசன் சார், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Thank you. What are the feedback, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is they understand my session?
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
Pardon me?
Is the participants follow my
Yes.
tutorial?
They have
how
followed.
much they understand, I think.
Yes, they have followed. So why they are
Followed,
asking
sir.
questions, lot of questions.
Okay, no problem.
I think this is very much easy regarding some other applications.
Software. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir. This is time to wind up. Thank you,
Okay.
everybody. We can meet in WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, techno teachers,
thank
all
you,
of you.
sir.
Thank you, Kalpana.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
wait
sir.
for a minute. Kalpana
Hey.
ma'am is asking. Wait for a minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Once again, I want to thank you. Actually, I asked only one thing, that you have to open only one software. But now, the end of the session, we came to know a lot of sources, and thanks a lot. So, if it is possible, you can take one more session in another day. So, we will we'll discuss in our group and tell you, sir. And thanks for your patience and. What என்ன சொன்னாலும் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கலாம்.
There is a lot to say.
Cooperation, kind cooperation, yes.
I think